We have some breaking updates this time on Shraddha Walkar murder case. The Delhi Saket Court extends the judicial custody of Aftab Poonawalla for the next 14 days. He has demanded some law books to study while in prison. The court has also directed the authorities to provide him warm clothes. This is in connection to the grisly Shraddha Walkar murder case in which Aftab is the accused. He had murdered his former girlfriend and chopped her to pieces, and the murder came to limelight 6 months after he did this grisly crime. Now, of course, post-arrest, now he was sent to judicial custody. His judicial custody has now been extended by another 14 days. He has demanded some law books to study in the court. The court has also directed the authorities to provide him with warm clothes. Certain applications had been put forth by Aftab Poonawalla. And now, of course, that has been granted by the court. His judicial custody has been extended for the next 14 days, even as the investigations in this grisly murder case is underway. So that's the breaking update that we are getting in connection to Shraddha Walkar murder case. We have Nilashish joining us on the story. Nilashish, judicial custody of Aftab Poonawalla extended by next 14 days. We seem to have lost the line with Nilashish. We'll try and connect back to him. So that's the update that we are getting. In fact, Aftab Poonawalla, who was arrested recently in connection with Shraddha Walkar murder case, this was 6 months after the murder that he was arrested. He had, in fact, allegedly murdered his former girlfriend, Shraddha Walkar, and chopped her to pieces and flung those pieces in several parts in Delhi. The murder coming into light after a missing persons complaint was registered much later by Shraddha's father in the outskirts of Mumbai, and then the case was transferred to Delhi, following which Aftab was arrested. Now, of course, his custody, judicial custody, extended by 14 days. Nilashish is joining us. Nilashish, judicial custody of Aftab Poonawalla extended by another 14 days.
Yes, absolutely. Aftab Poonawalla was brought before Saket Court today, wherein he was produced before the judge from the lockup itself. And 14 days judicial custody has been extended. Of course, given the kind of plea that was involved, it has been seen that certain investigation is continuing. Aftab, of course, had been in the police's custody also, and after which he has been in judicial custody. Now, in fact, the court also allowing warm clothes to be given to him, given the cold in jail. And also, Aftab Poonawalla sought that certain law books be given to him. That, of course, has not yet been allowed. But as far as the case is concerned, hair and bones found in the forest were sent to a Hyderabad lab for DNA mitochondrial testing. The investigation has also confirmed that the hair and the bones found by the police did belong to Shraddha Walkar. And these sort of evidences that are there in the case, of course, will be brought out by the police in the charge sheet which is to be filed.
Right. So several forensic evidence has been brought out by the police. And now, of course, the accused, Aftab's judicial custody extended by 14 days. Thank you, Nilashish, for all the details.